all want our hot coffee or tea to stay hot. Today I've got some gadgets that promise solutions. First up, smart mugs. These look like regular cups, but their bases hold heating components, a high-capacity battery, microprocessors, and temperature sensors. Now, usually they work with a smartphone app, where you set the temperature and it's supposed to hold it. It can even notify you when your drink hits the goal temperature. Now, we tested these three, and they're priced from about $79 to $165. This one, total disappointment. No better than a regular mug. This one was better, but it took twice as long to charge. It was less accurate than our top pick, which was the Ember 2. This Ember holds 14 ounces, and it was simple to set up, it was easy to use, and it kept coffee right at our set temperature for about 70 minutes, and within our ideal drinking range of about 130 to 160 degrees for about 90 minutes. Now that said, a smart mug is not for everyone. It takes some care and attention, it needs to be kept charged, you can't put it in the microwave, it has to be hand washed. So we also have a lower tech solution. That's our favorite insulated travel mug. It's the Zojirushi Stainless Mug for about $25. I personally love this thing. It's slim and it's lightweight even when it's full. It holds 16 ounces and the top locks so it won't ever drip in your bag. And it pops open for drinking and it's easy to clean. Now, the only downside is that this thing works so well that hot drinks stay steamy hot for more than 10 hours. Sometimes it can actually be too hot to drink from, so I might pour some out into a separate cup. But I'm going to take that over letting my hot tea or coffee get lukewarm any day.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.